them, you know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I mean, name Sophia, me sell the leather slippers them and the leather wallet them, you know.
You look like them you're made naturally.
Yeah, man, I'm a son build them, you know. Yeah, Anjo.
You're from look
you know?
and see it.
Yeah. I him build them, man. Yeah. Right in front of Pablo's there. Pablo's there. Yeah.
If you don't know the song, you can call me because we got this next media. Good luck.
Open them, General. People, you know, tired. Tired was a person. Why may I tell you no? Tired no easy. Tired. There's a lot of walking I do today. So much walking all the way from Constant Spring. All the way from New Kingston. Nurse.
In general.
Manners and respect. Yeah. But that's a little coverage. That's a walk around and showcase the whole place. You know, from me I walk from New Kingston. You could have taken the walk in there? Eh? A long time I did the exercise in there, man. YouTuber, you see it? But just showcase the place. Because you have some people at their home, they must sit down, they want to watch what go on. Nobody now really do the type of content here. Some people just do some like a comedian thing and then. Yeah, not really so strong yet, but I forgive it now. Give a lick and make a muck. Yeah, not so big yet. I imagine funny thing. Alright, see the people, a whole heap of clothes they are selling the people, you see it? Alright, you can come right here and get everything, you see it? Everything up on a good price too. $1,000 for one, right? 1,000 from 1,000 and up.
$1,000.
Yeah, $1,000 store. So when you see what I go and see it, then man, check it out, no, man. You see it? See the people, the clothes then look good, you know. The pants then look good, everything look nice and everything. You see it? So I wouldn't ask how went in there.
$1,000 store, no door.
You can't just go and say something, man. Go on and talk.
$1,000 store, no door. We are talking about. Chop. Yeah, man, we have man things too, man.
Yeah.
Man things them there. We have all these bad things there.
Alright.
And a pin to an anchor there.
Yeah. See the people, the man things then there too, you know. From $3,000 up. So you know, say it's a good look. So if you want, they only for ask a short bus, right? On the little corner right here. Before. What kind of plaza? In front of Pablo. You see Pablo on the left hand side here. So I can't miss, you see it? We are right on the little corner right here. Alright, big up on yourself, man. You see it? Yeah, just subscribe to the channel. Alright, what you awesome, man? What you awesome, auntie? Alright.
I mean,
Oh,
I'm all and bad.
Are you name all and bad?
All and bad.
All right.
Sell the leather slippers.
See the people, the leather slippers, they look good, you know, man. And I'm nothing normal enough people, you see it? Yeah, man. So if you want a little leather, yeah, and the leather belt and the nice wallet, them. How your starting price for the wallet, them, mommy?
They have $4,000 for the wallet, then the belt, them 1,000 up.
Yeah.
Slippers, them $3,000, $3,500.
Yeah. Yeah, man, they look good. I like the quality of them. The quality them look real for real. Yeah. Yeah, man, I like them.
I mean, Sophia, you know, I mean, sell the leather slippers, them, you know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I mean, Sophia, I mean, sell the leather slippers, them, and the leather wallet, them, you know.
You look like them you're made naturally.
Yeah, man, I'm a son build them, you know. Yeah, Anjo. You know. Yeah. I him build them, man. Right in front of Pablo's there. Pablo's there. Yeah. Coming up. Yeah. And come over on your right hand side. Yeah. Yeah. Can't miss. Video the
Generally, how we have to listen to them and crocs and everything.
come bunny.
You know it's already, you know.
Talk bunny already. Yeah, a bunny, you know, original slippers, man, and crocs, man, boy, yeah, you know. I hears them, man, yeah, they are from Wapikill, Filla, him sell the crocs, them.
Yeah.
The girl crocs, them, the man crocs, them, and the ladies crocs, them. I him all sell, watch, you know, I him all sell them Reebok here, you know, don't laugh, you know.
Yeah, man.
Can wear, go to school and wear.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah. Same place where they're right in front of Pablo's. You know, say business are going you slow, but you don't know, you know.
Yeah.
Christmas just over, you know.
Business up, daddy.
Rough.
Yeah, for me. Though.
And Christmas just
Everybody
done, you
apart,
know.
man.
Yeah, Christmas just done, and
Yeah,
nah,
nobody
Christmas
really
nothing really never did a go on, you know, but you don't know, you know.
Yeah.
We are going to wall it out, you know. Yeah. We are going to wall it out and put in the work same way.
Yeah, man.
So when Jamaica people ready for come flourish and that's way we give thanks for, you know. Yeah, subscribe the man thing, you know. At Dex Media, you know. Give him a blind, yeah. And big him up and make him feel good, because you don't know we have to eat and drink and the whole of we are human being. And all of the rich people them want to come support we, you know, all the Prime Minister, all Andrew Wallace, you know, where you talk, so we love you, you know. You don't know, you know. As soon election, you know, Andrew, you don't know we have to take it to you, you know, my general, because we love you. Yeah.
Bless up, man. All right, thanks. Open.
I'm all around them kind of.
Alright people, so we approach a KFC. Now let's hear to the KFC are nice. Below, I say full up. I got the road there. I check on next one. Because I want to full up too much people at KFC there.
Shot, you live for two shots. You want people, so this is the transport center.
Don't face again, urgent!
One child for this year flock.
Yeah, people, so we just I go and sieve out the transport center. Yeah, we just go and do a little B-roll shot. I'm gonna see what I go on. Just stay here for a little minute. I'm gonna go and take it and go on. Yeah. Just go and sieve out the transport center, you see it? Show no what going on. See if we can find the KFC, you see it people? Yeah man, KFC time. You bless up on yourself, you know, people. Right now, I got a hairdresser and got a barber shop, you see it? But I couldn't get for vlog those stuff though, guys. But right now, I make up my mind and I forgot KFC before I got a country, you see it? So I'm find one KFC over here, so. We still there constant things over, so there Pavilion Mall. The Pavilion Mall this? Yeah, this look like a Pavilion Mall. No, this is opposite Tropical Plaza. You see it? There's a KFC right next by. So I'm gonna go in there and get a KFC. Hopefully I'm gonna fill up though. You see it? Oh. Some actually they're in a KFC, you know, one thing as it, but in here really full up. So right now I wonder if I should order nothing or just got me hard, but I feel for KFC, so Just risk it and see what can work out for me, you see it?